As a part of this lecture, we'll understand what are the environmental requirements to run the Python code. There are multiple tools or there are multiple ways you can run Python code. We wouldn't be covering all the permutations and combinations of the tools or IDEs which are used to run the Python code. What we'll do as a part of this lecture is we'll cover only the tools or environments which we will be using as a part of this course to run the Python code. Let's get started. Operating system on which we are working is Ubuntu. Depending upon which operating system working on, you can install these tools on that particular operating system. As I said, the operating system what we are working on is Ubuntu. To run the Python code, we will be using three things. One is the text editor like Atom. The second one is the Python package itself. The third one is Python IDE. Let us see them one by one. Atom is one of the popular text editor existing currently in the industry. There are many other text editors like Sublime Text and Notepad++ and all other text pads. But as I said, we are going to use Atom as a part of our practice in this course. To install Atom, open a terminal in Ubuntu and type in this command: sudo snap install atom hyphen classic. You are done. Atom will be installed. Then you can go and search in the applications, double click on Atom icon, then text editor will open up for you. Next thing is installing the Python itself. Again, we are making it very easy for you. In a terminal, go ahead and type in sudo apt install python 3 because we're going to use a Python 3 version as a part of this course. With this command itself, you may get the Python 3 installed. And if you type a Python, you should get a Python terminal to execute the Python code. Just in case, if the Python is not installed, you can go ahead and install the pip package. Once you install the pip package, say pip3 install request, post that you can go ahead and install the sudo apt install python 3. In case this is not working, then only you should go to the installation of the pip package. Otherwise, no need to go there. That is how you install the Python. Again, there are multiple IDEs which are available in the market. We are going to use PyCharm IDE because it is wonderful in every respect. It has many essential tools for Python developers and it is very convenient as compared to any other IDEs. Again, it is left to your choice to use which IDE you want, but as a part of our course here, we'll be using the PyCharm IDE. To install PyCharm IDE, open a terminal in Ubuntu and then go ahead and execute the command sudo snap install pycharm-community-classic. Post that, PyCharm gets installed, then you will get a PyCharm icon. You can double click on that and open the PyCharm IDE. Wonderful then. We discussed all the three important environments we'll be using to write a Python code, run a Python code and practice Python code. Thank you.